Do you know that it's been scientifically established that between 80 to 90% of women will struggle to lose weight in some specific areas of their bodies? Yes, especially under the arm region, in the mid region, and on the thigh. Yeah, a lot of people struggle so much to lose weight in all of these three areas. And it's just because of three simple reasons that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. If this sounds like you, please sit back and watch this video to the end, because if you watch this video to the end, you are going to be among the 10% of women that will not struggle to lose weight, especially those stubborn belly fat. My name is Temi and I am a wellness coach. I share health education tips on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and even on LinkedIn. So do well to follow me. I'll put the links in the description box, okay? So let's jump right into the video. There are three major things that will make women struggle to lose weight. Number one of them is depending so much on ultra-processed foods. Yes, I know that in this time and age, a lot of people are executives, we are busy and taking care of children, especially young children, or combining or balancing work and home life is so much. And so many times, there is no time to do shopping, there is no time to plan meals, there is no time, absolutely, to prepare healthy meals at home. But if you want to live healthy, you want to live long enough in good health to fulfill all your dreams and aspirations and achieve your goals, there is no two way. This body is still the engine that will carry out all those activities that we just talked about. So eating healthily is no option. It's no option. You cannot afford to depend on ultra-processed foods. No. It's not sustainable. It is not good for your health. It's going to damage your organs. Your internal organs is going to be damaged if you depend so much on tin food, canned foods, processed food, highly processed food. You take food in your plate and you can't, with color or the smell or even the taste, you can't say, oh, this is the origin of this food. Then just know that that food is being ultra processed, is being overly processed, and it is not good for anybody. So don't let us depend so much on ultra processed food, because ultra processed food will trigger insulin balance in the body, and once that sets in, once that process sets in, it will be difficult to lose weight. Yes, once there is insulin balance in the body, it will be so difficult for that body to lose weight. So cook your meals at home. Eat as close to nature as possible. When you plate your food, you must be able to identify that, oh, this is this, this is this, this is this, this is the protein, this is the carbohydrate, and this is the fat. This is what I'm eating. Some of us, when we put that food in our plate, by smell, by color, by taste, we cannot identify the food. It is not good. So don't let us by ourselves undo ourselves and cause problems for ourselves. Insulin imbalance is a very tough thing to reverse. Don't engage in it. If your body is still maintaining insulin, then don't trigger it. If you have been overly depending on ultra-processed food, then stop it. Let's eat. Let's come back to nature. Yeah, let's come back to nature. Number two is the cortisol hormone that is triggered by stress. Yes, I know that a lot of women are on this table, and I'm here to shatter that table today. So I know taking care of so many things, being a career woman, juggling so many things together at the same time, not having enough time to rest and reset is a major factor in inability to lose weight. So let's watch it. As women, we need to, yeah, there's nothing like balance, but prioritize what is important to you. If you know that this one is a time waster, just don't allocate any time to it. If you come to it at the end of the day, fine. If you don't come to it, it's all good. Prioritize what is important and start early during the day so that you can cover as many things as possible before you get tired. And once you are tired, please rest. Please rest. The cortisol hormone, if it's too much in the body, or even its presence in the body, will make it so difficult to lose weight in the most important places in our body. So let's watch it. Number 3 is lack of sleep. Yes. Some people will say, oh, if you sleep for 8 hours in a day or 10 hours in a day, one third of your life, you have used it to sleep. Well, it is what it is. As adults, we must be able to get at least between 6 to 8 hours of sleep every single day. Yes, some people, 5 hours may be enough for them because of the way they've trained themselves over the years. Some people, before they can get their energy back every day, they need to sleep for 6 hours. They need to sleep for 8 hours every day. It's called beauty sleep. So don't let us deny ourselves of that, because when we sleep, the body does self-repair. Yes, that's one of the most important processes that happens when we sleep. The body gets rested, the organs get rested, they get rejuvenated, they get reset when we sleep. If we don't sleep, then our organs will just continue to work and work, and they become overworked at some point. And then decline will set in. We don't want that. We want our organs to be vibrant, even as our physical body is vibrant. So as you are taking care of your skin, you are doing skincare routine, take care of your internal organs. Let them rest. Let your brain rest. Let it reset. Set a particular time for your sleep every day and make sure that you don't engage in screen activities in those times. If you need to wake up in the night to go to the toilet and pee, go and come back and go back to sleep. Don't take your phone and check your messages and do all of those things. No. Prioritize your sleep, because healing takes place when we sleep. Reset of internal organs takes place when we sleep. Brain reset, it rests when we sleep. We don't want to deny ourselves of all of those goodness. Okay? So these 3 tips will help you to maintain a healthy weight. Let me give you a bonus. Do you know that it is possible that you are weighing between 50 and 60 kg, or let me say you are skinny and you are still battling with stubborn belly fat? Maybe we should talk about that in the next video, okay? So, but for this video, make sure that you are not eating ultra-processed food, you are not triggering the production of cortisol hormone, and then you are resting. And in the next video, we are going to talk about being skinny and still struggling with belly fat. My name is Temi, and if you have watched to this time, you are a real MVP. Thank you so much. You need to subscribe to this channel. Please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel so that YouTube can recommend it to as many people as need to hear this good news, because I call it the good news of wellness. Yes, that's what I call it, so that YouTube can recommend it to as many people as need it. And if you have people in your circle that need to hear this, please send it to them. Like the video, comment, let me know what you're thinking, let me know what I need to talk about, let me know what you're struggling with, let me know what's going on in your mind regarding all these videos. Okay, and I will see you in the next one. And before then, stay healthy and be good. Never lose your joy. Thank you and bye.